how to test whether two numbers are equal using the delta function in Excel. So what we're going to do, just to make this a little bit interesting for the video, we're going to create two numbers via random between function. So first we're going to start off with equals and 1, rand between, double click on that. We're going to have our top number be 1, our bottom number be 1 and our top number be 2. Close that off with an enters. And do another rand between, okay. And again, we're going to do 1 as the bottom, 2 as the top, okay. And now we're going to test these two with the delta. Okay, so we're going to select our first number and then our second number here, okay. And because they're not equal now, since this is a 2 and this is a 1, that's what we get, okay. So if we go ahead and we refresh these, all right, say I want to select a different cell here, okay, and let's just put B1 again, and when I do this it should refresh it, which it didn't. Let's go ahead and we'll choose between 1 and 3 here, and we'll choose 1 between 1 and 2 here. See, it refreshed that one, so now they're not equal. Do it again. Now they're the same number, and now it sees 1 because they are the same, so giving you a true value. And that is how you use the delta function in Excel.